Welcome to ScanLab. In this tutorial, we will show you how to create and access your ScanLab account. First, click Register in the top right-hand corner. Here you will put the registration code that your instructor or manager has provided you. Make sure that there is no white space before or after that code. In the following fields, you will fill out your email address, which will serve as your login ID, a password, your full legal name, and any nickname you wish to go by. Once this is completed, hit Register. From here, you will be prompted to log in with the email and password you just set up. Once inside ScanLab, we would like to point out a couple of features. Utilizing the flag in the top right-hand corner will allow you to change the language of ScanLab. You can change or update this at any time. Where your name is listed, you have two options, Profile and Logout. Within your profile, you will see your user account information, the option to change your password, and Preferences. Within Preferences, you can update your vendor settings. This will change the window and leveling functionality within ScanLab to represent the window and leveling that you would normally see on these vendors. Once you have chosen the one that you prefer, hit Save Preferences. You're all set. You can start using ScanLab. Select a region, start scanning, and enjoy.